Hello and welcome. It's me, Blaze from Blaze Meets Paper, and I'm here with another tech wrap video today. The Christmas season is my favorite time to craft, and today I'm sharing with you two different projects that you can make. I'll be using adhesive vinyl from TeckWrap's Christmas sheet pack and adhesive vinyl from their new bubble-free mirror chrome line. The Christmas pack is perfect for anyone who's looking for an assortment of Christmas colors and textures to use for their projects. This pack gives you a chance to try out several of their specialty vinyl. There's glitter vinyl, shimmer, and holographic vinyl in here. It also works well to mix and match with any of the other colors in TeckWrap's 001M or 001G line. I've chosen to pair it with black today so that you can see how these specialty vinyls really shine. Included in this Christmas pack is Glitter Kelly Green, Sparkle Green, Burst Shimmer Christmas Green, Burst Shimmer Elegant Red, Satin Chrome Red, Mirror Chrome Light Gold, Sparkle Gold, Textured Gold, Holographic Gold, Glitter White Vinyl, Shimmer White, Glass Flower Silver, Sparkle Silver, Holographic Glossy Silver, and Satin Chrome Silver. So lots for you to play with. TeckWrap has also recently launched their new bubble-free mirror chrome line, and it is stunning. Each roll comes with a protected layer, and once it's removed, you can actually see your reflection in it. I was shocked by its mirrorness. What's exciting about this line is the technology. The design of the back on the back of the vinyl minimizes any bubbles you get when applying adhesive vinyl, especially on curved surfaces like today's mug. As with TeckWrap's other vinyls, this line also cuts and weeds easily without adjustment on my machine. Bonus! It's fun to play with and is something you can add to your vinyl collection for added pop and texture to your projects. One of my favorite things about DIY gifts is how personalized they can be. In today's video, I'll be showing you two projects, a customized mug for a coffee lover friend of mine, and a set of gift tags for Christmas presents. I can't wait to show you these projects. They're great as standalone gifts, but can also be packaged together with my Christmas canvases from my previous video. Handmade gifts are great for Secret Santa at work. It's both personal and economical. I want to give a special shout out to TeckWrap's silicone slap bracelets. I use these to organize my vinyl and heat transfer rolls. What's unique about them is that they're extremely strong and grippy, so it ensures that my vinyl and heat transfer stays in its rolls. I've tried some Amazon brands and it just didn't compare. The rolls got looser over time. Now, for my first project, the I'm a Grinch Before Coffee mug, I'm using wine red, camouflage olive from the bubble-free mirror chrome line, and glitter white vinyl from the Christmas sample pack. Let's get started. As usual, I've uploaded the file into Design Space. For mugs, I like to measure the height of my mug and then subtract an inch from the height to determine the design size. Once the size is determined, I can adjust it in Design Space, attach, and cut. When you're ready to apply the adhesive vinyl, use some rubbing alcohol and wipe down your mug. This removes any dirt and oil from your fingers and helps the adhesive adhere better. I like to put my mug on my squeegee. The ridges in the squeegee helps keep my mug in place. As I was transferring my vinyl to my transfer paper, I realized how much I missed using my squeegee. It is definitely worth it to have two around. application of both the bubble-free chrome wrap and glitter vinyls were extremely easy. I used my tweezers rather than transfer tape to apply the small pieces like the Christmas hat fluff. It just gives me more precision. Ta-da! Here's our first project, a quick and easy Christmas mug. Now it's ready to be filled with a Starbucks gift card or some packets of tea for your special person. Our next project is a set of gift tags. These are so adorable and quick to make. I have 3 to show you today. The Something You Want, Something You Need, and Something You Wear tags. TeckWrap sells these acrylic rounds on their websites. These gift tags just adds that special touch to your wrapping. And Christmas only comes once a year, so why not go all out? All of the vinyl I'm using for this project is from the Christmas sampler pack. I love that TeckWrap has already done the thinking for you, and every single sheet must have been hand-selected by their team so that they all pair well together. So here I'm using Mirror Chrome Light Gold for the stars, Burst Shimmer Elegant Red, Glitter Kelly Green, Glitter White Vinyl, and Satin Chrome Silver. Making these tags is simple. Upload your cut file into Design Space, cut, weed, and make your tags. Before we send to cut, I wanted to share a tip with you. I've recently started to turn my images black before I send to cut. Doing this has shaved a few minutes off each project. Definitely something I'm grateful for during the holiday season when I'm making multiple projects and gifts in a day. Because of this project's smaller size, I use the reverse weeding method for the text of these tags. You'll want to keep your weeding pen handy in case you need it. Here's our second project, gift tags. Here's a final look at all our projects today, the Grinch mug and Christmas gift tags. All of these projects were quick and simple to create. I hope that this video inspires you to make some personalized gifts this year. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.